You putting mommy down?
Can I get up? Can I get up, please?
Get mommy up?
Can I get up? Can I get up?
Oh, keep her down? Okay.
Can I get up? Can I get up, please? Can I get up?
Was that a burp?
That was so far.
A fart? That was a fart. That didn't sound like a... It was juicy then.
That was so far.
Isabel, come here, baby.
Look it, I'm gonna get up. Come here. I'm gonna get up. Here I go. I'm getting up. No. I'm getting up. No. I'm getting up.
Are you keeping mommy down? Uh-oh. Make sure she stays down. Huh? She's getting back up. You're being silly, Isabel.
Sorry.
Yeah, you're being silly. Oh, she's gonna be a monkey. Monkey. Oh, she's gonna be a monkey. Oh, that was close.
I am up. You wanna lay down?
Down.
Down?
Isabel, Isabel. You gonna wait, no, don't throw. Are you gonna give kisses? Go give mommy a kiss. Go give mommy a kiss. Go give her a kiss. Give her a kiss. Okay, you can climb too. Okay, Sheba. Sheba, want a treat? Come here, Sheba. Sheba, come here, want a treat? It's over there. Yeah, go over there. Nope, you stay over there. Isabel, what are you doing? Isabel. Isabel. Hi.
Say 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sheba, where's the bunnies? Where's the bunnies? Where's the bunnies? You want to go get them? You want to go get them?
Where's mine? Go.
You want to go get Oh! Isabel, you want to go get the bunnies? Go look at them. Go look at the bunnies with her. No, that's not yours. Go look at the bunnies.